Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie's legal saga over winery set to enter a new chapter in court. Dispute could last until 2026, report. Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie's prolonged legal war over the sale of their $500 million winery is set to head to trial. Table of contents. Angelina Jolie's attempt to dismiss the case rejected by judge. The dispute is getting increasingly personal. Hollywood's biggest divorce story between Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt will get even more dramatic as their prolonged legal battle over the French winery, Chateau Miraval, is heading to trial. This means that the two superstars and former lovers will be subjected to dispositions that may reveal much information about their relationship. Accusations and counter-allegations from both sides have characterized their long-running rivalry over the winery. The trial, reportedly called the War of Rose, is scheduled for sometime in 2025, but may not find a possible solution until 2026. Angelina Jolie's attempt to dismiss the case rejected by judge. The years-long battle between Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt is in no mood to take a breather. Despite the two having moved on with their personal lives, they're still going hammer and tongs at each other in their bitter legal war over the French winery. According to OK! Magazine, a source close to the case revealed, it's already been ugly, but it's going to get even uglier as Angie is bent on retaliating against Brad and will try to continue to settle more old personal scores. Adding that the case can get personal over time, they said, "This is a straightforward business dispute, but unfortunately, the other side has consistently introduced personal elements which have exposed the weaknesses in their case and complicated and lengthened the proceedings." It's been reported that a judge in the Los Angeles Supreme Court rejected Angelina Jolie and her team's attempt to dismiss the case, allowing it to proceed. The dispute is getting increasingly personal. Judge Leah Martin denied 3 demurrers submitted by the changeling star and her team. It must be mentioned that it meant a win for Brad Pitt and his legal team, for they succeeded in taking the case to trial. The Babel actor has been claiming in court that his ex-wife broke a verbal and written agreement saying neither party could sell their shares in Miraval without the other one's consent. However, Pitt was pushed to file a lawsuit against Angelina Jolie after she sold her share of Chateau Miraval to Tenuta del Mondo, the Stoli Group's wine branch. Sooner than later, Jolie claimed that Brad wanted her to sign a troublesome non-disclosure agreement that wouldn't allow his alleged poor behavior to come to light. While Pitt's team has accused Jolie of forcefully personal elements to the case, they have also claimed that her actions to sell her share of the winery were driven by her relentless desire to hurt her ex-husband financially.